Hey guys, so let's talk about how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So if you've been following my channel, I posted a video a few months ago showing you exactly how much money I made with Pinterest affiliate marketing in 90 days. And if you've seen that video, you know that the results weren't exactly what I was expecting. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you this new strategy that I implemented since that video that has significantly improved my results. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So in case you are newer to Pinterest affiliate marketing, pretty much the way it works is Pinterest affiliate marketing involves creating and sharing pins that include affiliate links, which lead users to products or services on Pinterest. When someone clicks on the pin and makes a purchase, the marketer earns a commission. The reason why Pinterest is such an effective tool is because it is the world's largest visual search engine and it already has such a big existing user base that searches for products and things every single day. I mean, I can personally attest to that. I use Pinterest pretty much on a daily basis for a lot of different things. And since the users are already looking for ideas and inspirations, they're so much more likely to make a purchase. So let's get started with step one, which is doing research. So instead of thinking of a specific niche, we're actually going to work our way backwards this time, and we're going to start with researching what it is that people are actually searching for on Pinterest. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to go to Pinterest Trends, which this tab should be available, especially if you have the professional account. You can see some of the most popular keywords that people have been searching for, such as fall outfits, fall nails, school outfits, fall aesthetic, fall decor. I am filming this at the end of August, so all of this does make sense. The trend that I really want to explore is actually this one that matches my pin, since I already have a Pinterest board. And we're going to look at trends in women's bags. So college bag, university bag. Again, this makes sense because it is also the back to school season. I'm actually going to go ahead and start exploring this college bag trend. And obviously, in order for us to stand out on a pretty popular platform such as Pinterest, we want to make sure that we're niching down and focusing on long tail keywords. And we're going to use my favorite keyword research tool, which is SEMrush. If you want to check it out, I'll include the link down below. And so we're going to type in college bag to see what are the variations of this keyword that people have been searching. YSL college bag. Okay, that might be a little too fancy. College bags, college tote bag. I kind of like this one. IKEA bags for college. And we can also expand to see even more variations. All right, so based on what I'm seeing in the overall score, I kind of like the college tote bag variation. So let's go with this one. Now we're going to go to Amazon and search our products as well as links, since it's just the easiest affiliate program to work with. Now we're going to type in college tote bag, and I like to search by best sellers because those are the products that we already know people love and are very popular. So yeah, let's actually go with these top 4. So now let's jump to the fun part, which is creating the actual pins. Based on my research, I noticed that creating pins can be one of the biggest struggles for a lot of us, especially if you don't have experience in graphic design or not just like naturally gifted when it comes to visual aesthetic and visual things. And obviously on a platform like Pinterest, that is super important because it's literally a visual search engine. And that's why I'm so thankful that we can utilize platforms like Kittl. So in case you're not familiar with Kittl, it is a design platform that has a ton of different templates that you can use for things like logos, social media graphics, online ads, as well as Pinterest pins. So what I like about Kittl is that it is literally designed for people who don't have super advanced design skills, and it provides you with so many templates and graphic elements to help you create great designs and pins without spending a ton of time or having to watch like every single tutorial online. Okay, so let me show you how you can use Kittl to create engaging Pinterest posts. So like I mentioned, they have all kinds of templates and design resources here, anything from merch, marketing, social, stationery, and so on and so forth. So what we're going to do today is we are going to go to new project, and we're going to search different templates, and we're going to go to Pinterest. So you can search all different types of templates that they have right here. I actually kind of like this one. I like the background color, the font that they picked. So let's go ahead and test this one. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is I'm actually going to go ahead and remove this graphic, and we're going to go and look at the bags that we just included in the blog post. So one of the things that I really like is with Kittl, you can oftentimes just copy and paste graphics directly into Kittl, so you don't have to clutter clutter up your computer with all the additional images. Okay, so it looks like there's still background here, but the nice thing is that they do have the automatic AI background removers. So let's just run this really quickly. Okay, cool. Looks like we can just include it here. And then let's do the exact same thing with the rest of the bags.
A few moments later.
Okay, cool. So it looks like we have the graphic, and let's just name this pin Best College Tote Bags. And you can technically also include your URL right here, but I'm not going to do so because I don't yet have a pretty website domain. Okay, cool. And here's pretty much our pin. And all in all, it took me literally less than 6 minutes to create all of this. So that is honestly not bad. And once again, I love the copy and paste function. I just feel like it just makes the whole process so much easier. And then after this, you can simply go ahead and download it as an image file and upload to your Pinterest board. All right, guys, as you see, that was pretty quick.
That's what she said.
And that is also why I'm so excited that Kittl has decided to partner with me in this video. So if you also struggle with designs just like me, make sure to use my link down below, as well as use the promo code ChristinaYT to get 25% off of any subscription plans, which also includes the annual plans. Thank you, Kittl, for partnering with me in this video. And let's move on to the next step. And so I guess the main difference between my strategy this time and last time, aside from obviously doing a more in-depth keyword research, is that instead of just posting the photo of the product on Pinterest, we're going to create pins that are going to lead viewers to a product review article. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the good old ChatGPT, and we are going to put in this prompt right here, which is create a blog post about 5 college tote bags for 2024 school year and include these specific bags. So of course, make sure that you are including your affiliate links, and let's hit press and see what ChatGPT comes up with. And this is what we got. It looks pretty good to me. I also like that ChatGPT included some of the key features from the bag, which is going to be really helpful to whoever is researching college tote bags. And I like that it automatically included my affiliate links. And yeah, now all we have to do is to just add some pictures, which is not going to take that long. Now, in terms of picking the blogging platform, there are a lot of different options. So WordPress is obviously really popular. Medium is another platform that I highly recommend because you can get started on there for free. Plus, I like how you can just copy and paste all the images, which will make your life so much easier. In fact, I actually made an entire video about how you can make affiliate marketing income on Medium if you want to check it out. Once you've decided, just upload the pin, click publish, and wait for the affiliate income to roll in. So as you guys have probably seen, there are a lot of videos of gurus claiming to make all these money, but just from my experience and from a lot of the other recent review videos of Pinterest affiliate marketing, I noticed that it's definitely not a get rich fast type of side hustle. It does take quite some time. And from what I realized, you do need to create quite a few pins every single day, which can be time consuming, but considering we now have AI doing so much work for us, it's definitely not as time consuming as it used to be. So I definitely highly encourage you to continue doing it, and don't get discouraged if you're not seeing the results right away. It did take me quite some time to start seeing any affiliate income, which, I know a lot of you have been requesting that I make an update video. I am still working on it. I do want it to be a little bit longer before I make an update video because, again, side hustles like Pinterest affiliate marketing take quite some time. So if you still want to see it, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below. And in general, if you like content about side hustles, finance, and different ways that you can make money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!